Good afternoon YouTube and welcome to my channel. My name's Mark and my channel is Mark Pownall, British Bushcraft and Survival, and today we're going to be looking at the Black Horse Military Survival Bushcraft Hygiene Rollout Kit. This kit was developed in the beginning of the 2000s. I'm not too sure if the company still exists. They are called Black Horse Military, based in, I think it's Southampton or Portsmouth. You can see by the logo there, Black Horse. They do a lot of stuff for the military, like notebooks and map folders and the like. This is an extended stay hygiene kit for wilderness outdoors. This hygiene kit is not for 24 hours, it's 7 to 10 days, maybe more, 2 weeks. So without further ado, let's crack on with the video. So the main bag, there's my hand, just so you can get the size of it. The main bag you could use as an extra hygiene kit to put extra items in, but what I done is I've got the bag here, and put the roll inside that bag and any extra other items I want to fit in as I go along. The items that I've got in the wash kit have been tried and tested by myself, so they're just being put in there, and they do work. So let's get on with the video. So I'm going to open the top bag. As you can see, this is just a Ziploc bag, right? What you can do with a Ziploc bag, you fill it with foot powder to the bottom, then stick your foot inside the bag. Yeah, saves the powder getting everywhere. Then you put your sock on. Yeah, so that's the reason for the plastic bag. You can also use the plastic bag for other uses within the hygiene kit. Like if you want to put a bar of soap in there, a wet towel. There's many options for a plastic bag. Second item, it's a Dutch Army washbowl. Yeah, made in 1995. I've had this for a good few years. It has served me well and it's never let me down. So let's take the bag out of the way. So as you can see, you can add more items if you want. There's the name of the company there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera. Black Horse. So we'll put that bag out the way. There's the roll-out bag wash roll itself. So we'll open it up and we'll start from the top to the bottom. Yeah. So we got a paracord lanyard. You can use that to hang from a tree. We've got a mirror which is attached to the wash rail with Velcro, but it can be removed. First pocket, I have a Pertex towel. This is quite a large Pertex towel, and basically it's lightweight. You get a wash in the field, you get a shower, you dab it on your skin, and it soaks up the excess water, saves having to use a large camping towel, reduces the weight. Got some military issue foot powder. This is from the 1980s, but I've took the foot powder out and replaced the powder with antifungal foot powder, and I've kept the same shape, like flat, so everything packs flat so it can be rolled up. Okay, second zip pocket. Toothbrush in a holder, keeps it sterile and hygienic. For shaving, wouldn't carry foam or anything like that. This will get many shaves. It's called King of Shaves shave oil. There's 6 tablets here, and these are Listerine mouthwash tablets. Yeah, so once you cleaned your teeth, you chew one of these, and you can either swallow it or you can spit it out on the instructions. So yeah, that's the Listerine on the move mouthwash tablets. We have a tube of lip salve. A small toothpaste. I usually put 2 in there, and that will get you 2 weeks more or more. One comb. I've got short hair, but when you're in the field, best to comb your hair with a comb to make sure there's no infections can get into your scalp, or insects that can be caught in the hair follicles. So give your hair a comb and wash your hair every day. Now in this bag, this bag can be used for different purposes, but I've kept everything in there just for storage. So we've got Wilkinson sword blades, and there's 10 in there, but 1 will do you a week. Yeah, I haven't got to worry about blades. Now, what else I've put in there? It's a bit heavier than a normal disposable razor, but it's a compact travel safety razor. And the reason why I carry that is it's because it can be sterilised in boiling water. So once you've had the shave, you can drop it into some boiling water and it will sterilise the razor for the next time. If you've done it with plastic, it'll probably melt. So that's why I keep that. It's never gonna, there's no working parts, it's never gonna fail, and you've always got it in your kit. A pair of nail clippers. Keep your nails nice and short, so you don't get no infections, no ingrown toenails, anything like that. A very small, it's a Swiss Army knife. It's got a knife on it, pair of scissors, toothpick, file. So as I said, all that goes into that bag. There's another reason why I've got one of these bags. Once you use a bar of soap, You can hang the bar of soap in the tree. Because it's a mesh bag, it'll dry out quicker. So that's another reason for using that bag. We're on to the last pouch now. So this is these are I'd say wipes. They expand in water, like a you can use it as a flannel. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in there. Use one a day. You don't have to use them all the time if you don't want to. We have some deodorant, non-scented for military use. This is a normal brand from the supermarket, but it's non-scented. And a bar of soap, Right Coal Tar soap. This has antiseptic properties and it's good for keeping insects away, like mosquitoes, and they don't like the smell. So here's another look at the wash roll. So that's empty now. So that's the wash roll made by Black Horse Military for extended use in the field. That's my own equipment inside the wash roll, 7 to 14 days. So thanks everyone for watching, be safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now, bye.